Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the lesson Bubba's put. Sarah Smith, who lives in San Francisco, went shopping for cat food. Sarah is 13 and she lives at 3037 Market Street. She, she has lived there she has lived there since 1990. Sarah is married. She is married to a man named John. She is she has been married for 7 years. They have two children and one very big cat. Their son boss is 5 years old. Their daughter is Nancy. Their daughter Nancy is 3 years old. Their cat Bubba is 2 years old. Bubba is huge. Bubba weighs 258 pounds, 100, 100, 117 kilos. Thank you for listening.